mean, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with a gumball machine, but I'm like,
you can sell it on eBay for $50 a pop.
It seems dope to have a gumball machine.
Pull some Gary V shit.
You know what I mean? Collect some quarters.
Y'all
want some gum, bro? Got a gumball machine. You need a quarter though. My shit ain't free. It's a quarter for a gumball, dog. I've always wanted a soda machine too.
I'd want to do vending machines.
Come to my house, bro. You guys gonna charge? It's gonna cost you $1 to get the soda though.
Who carries cash?
Huh?
Do you carry cash?
ATM, baby. It's gonna have the shit on.
It's gonna have an ATM in it too.
Have a little fucking. You're gonna be able to tap. You're gonna be able to tap your card on there.
When was the last time I used a vending machine?
Start charging my kids to get fucking drinks.
Hell yeah! Like here's your allowance money.
The water free as fuck, but
the water's free as fuck. But
the pop in that bitch gonna be like $1.50. I'm gonna hit their ass,
bro. That's a good idea.
Right?
Use your money wisely.
I want some soda. The water free, bro. But if you want a Pepsi, it's gonna hit you.
Listen here, fatty. You can either get toys or you can get soda. It's your choice.